So we've had this very nice Jaguar F Type V8 in with us here at TTW Installations. We've done a few upgrades for this customer. Namely, we've put our ultimate safety camera alert system upgrade in here. We've also added the latest generation BlackVue cameras and battery pack. We've just done a few finishing things for him. The front splitter had obviously over time's been damaged, so we put a new one of those. We've completely refreshed his calipers in gold instead of red, which really do sort of pop. So I just thought it's quite nice just to give you a bit of a resume of what we've been up to on the odd car. As you can see, we've got a few oldies in with us and Japanese things in there. So, but yes, so in terms of obviously this, we've fitted the latest generation. This is the Genevo Pro2M. So there is a concealed radar head in the bumper. So this is detection 4. So all the new AI cameras via radar detection, motorway cameras now via radar detection. Then we've also got GPS detection for Travello, Specs, DS2, red light cameras, mobile camera locations as well. And then we've also integrated into this, which links into the Genevo Pro2M, which is the laser track as well, which is all on the front area as well there. So that's basically for mobile camera detection as well. So that's all obviously just nicely fitted in there. This is on a detachable display as well. So there's no, as you can see, no visible wires whatsoever in terms of on here. We've also got, which I'll just show you, which we've done. So yes, we've concealed the battery pack, custom wanted access to the battery pack, so it's nice there, but in that position it's got enough air around it, it's not going to overheat or anything else, but it is accessible. And then we've also, because obviously it's a convertible, we've double mounted the rear one and the front one together, so now they then look, one looks in and then one's looking out, which is there. And then obviously that combined with the battery pack will probably give you about sort of 16 odd hours in terms of parking mode, whereas if it was just on its own from the car battery on a car that's not used very much, then you wouldn't get much at all, probably 4 or 5 hours. So if there's anything on this Jaguar that takes of interest or anything, or you'd like further information, then please don't hesitate to get in touch with us here at TTW Installations.